What if I told you there is an app that promises to pay up to 15% returns on your dollar investments? Now I'm putting my money on the line to see if it's legit or a complete scam. So a few of you have been asking me to check out this app called Risevest. And for those who haven't heard of it, it's a platform designed to help you invest in dollar denominated assets from right here in Nigeria. Sounds good, right? Well, I decided to give it a shot to see what all the buzz is about. Before that, let's start with a quick introduction because manners. I'm Bozo Martin, your personal financial crash test dummy. I take investment risks so you don't have to. It's kind of like being a stunt double. If there's risks to be taken, I'll take it first to make sure it's worth your time. If you're curious about an investment platform, but you would rather not donate your hard-earned money to the newest Ponzi scheme or the newest phishing investment platform, then hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment below on the app you want me to try out, and let me be your guinea pig. I'm here to sniff out the traps, help you see which one is legit and which one is not worth your time. Oh, and click the bell icon, it will keep you updated on my little experiments. Also, there's a special prize for you at the end of the video. Make sure you don't miss it. Now, let's dive into the Risevest experience step by step. Now, first things first, I downloaded the app and signed up. The link to the app is provided down in the description box, along with my referral link in case you're feeling generous. The process is quite straightforward, but I had to complete my KYC verification. This means providing my personal details, including my BVN. Now, I know the idea of giving out your BVN can be quite unsettling, but it's standard procedure for most legit financial platforms. The watchword there is legit. So make sure you're dealing with a trusted company. Okay, once I was verified, I landed on the dashboard. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. It displays your balance in USD, which makes sense since the platform is all about dollar investments. The dashboard has four main tabs: the plans, this is where you pick your investment options; the wallet, this is where your funds live; the feed for articles and updates, and more for account settings and other admin stuff. To invest, I need to fund my dollar wallet. There are several funding options. You can add money using Naira, dollars, or even crypto. Okay, for now, I'm sticking with Naira. Okay, there are two payment options: bank transfer and debit card. After checking, I found out the card payment option comes with 1,400 Naira in fees for a 100,000 Naira deposit, while the bank transfer comes with no fees. Naturally, I went with the cheaper option. Nobody likes unnecessary charges. Now, once I made the transfer, the funds reflected almost instantly in my wallet. Quick and hassle-free. That's always a good sign. Now, Risevest offers three main plans from what I'm seeing on the app. The first is fixed income, which is low risk with steady returns, around 10 to 12% annually. Real estate, which is medium risk with potentially higher returns. I think, yes, they say between 13 to 15% returns annually. And finally, the stocks, which is high risk but with high possibility of significant growth. Now, the fixed income basically works like a high yield savings account, offering between 10 to 12% returns on your dollar savings. And I must say, is the highest annual returns I've ever come across for a dollar based savings instrument. It looks like the capital and returns are also both guaranteed, making it a great option for those who want to protect their capital while earning a decent return. So I'm really liking this option, seeing as it's offering consistent returns with minimal risks. Because me too, I don't want to make my money disappear. Now let's check out the medium risk plan. The medium risk plan, as I said, is in real estate. According to their write-up, they invest your funds in rental properties in the US, and the expected annual returns is between 13 to 15%. Also very nice for a dollar denominated investment. Wow, these guys really mean business. But my real question is, how sustainable is it? Based on my research, high yield savings accounts in the United States offer between 4 to 5% annual returns, while rental properties fetch an average of 8% annual returns. So, how is Risevest offering higher? Also, in the real estate plan, I can see the capital is guaranteed, but the interest isn't. I guess that means the interest fluctuates, hence why it's indicated as a medium risk investment plan. For the stocks, from their write up, I can understand that the stocks plan involves investing in a curated portfolio of 20 to 30 US stocks. Now, here's a list of the stocks in their portfolio. While it sounds good, I personally prefer ETFs, exchange traded funds for my stock investments because they spread risks more efficiently, in my opinion. ETFs for the layman is basically a stock you can buy that contains a collection of other stocks in it. So by buying a share of an ETF, you'll be buying into all the stocks contained in that ETF. Okay, it's quite similar to what Risevest is offering. But in my case, I'll rather stick with reputable ETFs like VOO, SCHD, with years of proven track record. So I'll skip on Risevest's stock plan for now. Now, for today's experiment, I'm diving into the fixed income plan. Now, after naming it the crash test plan because branding matters, I choose fixed income plan with a 12-month duration offering 10% return. But here's where my grievance is with Risevest, because explain to me why they advertise 12% on their homepage, but the real offer peaks at 10%. So why they lie? A mild red flag, but we continue. The purpose of this video is for you to see my experience and decide if it's a good or worthwhile investment for you to make. So I'm gonna see it through. Just make sure to support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. It will be really helpful. After naming the plan the crash test plan, I funded it with 100,000 naira, which came out to be around $59.35. I funded my wallet and executed my investment. Keep in mind there's a 5% penalty if you withdraw early. Fair enough. Commitment is key. So it's important to commit to the full term. And just like that, my first investment on the Risevest app is live. And this is the second investment in our scapegoat portfolio, where we aim to get to 100 million in the next 10 years. It may sound crazy right now, but stick around for the show and watch what happens. So far, Risevest looks promising. The app is user friendly and funding is straightforward, and the investment options are appealing, especially for dollar based savings. However, as with any investment, nothing is guaranteed. Promises are just words until proven otherwise, so tread carefully and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. I'll be monitoring these investments and sharing my updates when it matures. Will it be a success story or a cautionary tale? Stick around to find out. Also, if you've used the Risevest app, let me know in the comments what was your experience. Did the returns match the promises? Let's compare notes. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, then congratulations, you are eligible to win 10,000 naira worth of stocks. All you have to do is comment crash test down in the comment section, and the winner will be selected randomly and announced 3 weeks from now in my next video. So make sure to drop your comments and stay tuned. Until next time, stay curious and remember, don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Unless it's monopoly money, then go wild.